you doing?
Working on the Vette.
Yeah? Oh, you got the alternator on?
Yeah.
Where's your belts?
I don't have them yet. I'm just really test fitting everything on.
Oh, yeah? Look what I got.
Oh, man, is that the air filter?
K&N, only the best. Huh?
Only.
Yeah, it's chromed out and everything real nice. Want to see if it fits?
I'm sure it does, yeah.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Oh, there you go. Hey? You gotta wipe it.
Yeah. Hey,
Try it out.
got a quick question for you. What did the frog do when he needed a toe? When he broke... No.
You gotta do jokes then?
Wait, what did the frog do when his car broke down? He got it towed.
You screwed up the joke. You gave the punchline before you were supposed to.
No.
Sure. You said, what did the frog do when he towed his car? Or something, I don't know.
No.
Didn't he say something? Huh?
Leroy's not gonna put that. Yo, what did the frog do when his car broke down?
He had it towed.
No, don't say it.
You just told me.
No, we gotta do it better.
You're gonna cut this one and do it over?
Yeah. Got a quick question. No, don't laugh. Wait. I got a quick question for you.
What's the question?
What did the frog do when his car broke down? He got it towed.
Can we put this thing together,
Get
please? It comes with the breather hose nozzle.
Did it come with a stud?
No, I think you gotta use your own wing nut or however you want to go about it.
Oh,
Did it?
I said wait. Forget about wait. Come on. Don't forget the final step. Register your K&N product warranty and get an exclusive discount. Register at knfilters.com/register. Register also includes access to full product warranty coverage, free information on how the best care for your K&N product, exclusive offers and discounts on future purchases. Bro, forget it. New product alerts for your vehicle. Always the best. Vehicle information storage in your online virtual garage. K&N, no hassle, lifetime limited warranty.
Let's do this thing.
I gotta use a bolt. I'm out of studs. Just for temporary use, I'll just use this.
We'll get a stud tomorrow. You got the wing nuts in the back,
Wing
right?
nuts I got, yeah, yep. Now, sometimes air filters are tricky because you might put the bolt in and say, I need a longer bolt. But that's not the case. Pick up your bolt,
It's there.
and it's really there. It's just hiding. See? Okay.
Looks good, bro.
No, it doesn't.
No? Where you going? Leroy, where's he going? Where'd you go?
You can't have never, ever. I don't care if Mount Everest is higher than it used to be. You can't ever have fingerprints on an air filter. Never. Ever. Like, you pretend you're leaving, but where are you going?
Go. Where I blow? It's going away, the humidity.
Where? Oh, can you blow on it again? Can you blow on it again? I'm sorry.
No, you do it.
No, I can't reach.
God, give me the strength. God, help me.
One more time and that's it.
The clouds come in.
All right, guys.
Come on.
Literally clouds. I did it. See?
All right, that's good enough.
No.
Taking over the world.
Can't.
Taking over the world.
No, we're not done. People don't like it. I got bad comments.
For that? You mean they like the rest of it? They like the rest of it? Huh? Oh. All right. Yo. Taking over. Yo. One of these days. I don't know which one,
All right.
but one of these days.
Which
Maybe
one?
tomorrow. Listen, I'm done. Okay. Taking over the world.
One set of K&N filters at a time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.